back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the replacement items that BoxyCharm sent me for broken pallets I received in last month's boxes. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a little while today. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up before you leave. It really does help. So, like I said, we're going to be talking about the replacement items from BoxyCharm. Now, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. It costs $25 a month, and in each box you receive 5 full-size items. They range from makeup, skincare, beauty tools. Each box has an average value of $175, and there are also optional upgrades. There are BoxyLuxe and Boxy Premium. Boxy Premium is an additional box every month that is $35, and you receive 6 to 7 items with an average value of $215. BoxyLuxe is a quarterly upgrade to your Boxy Base box. So instead of paying $25 that month, you pay $49.99. You receive 8 or more beauty and lifestyle items, and they say the average value of a BoxyLuxe box is $395. If you watched my unboxing videos from August, you saw that I received broken pallets in both my Boxy Base and Boxy Premium boxes. I contacted customer support and they sent me replacement items. Now, if you've ever dealt with BoxyCharm support, I've heard some horror stories. I actually was pretty lucky, I guess. Both times I did get with very little problem. I contacted them right away. I had pictures exactly the way that they had asked for them, and in both cases they sent me replacement items, but not necessarily the same item, because if they do say if they run out of the item that's in the box, they will send you a replacement item. So you don't really know necessarily when you report something broken whether you're going to be getting the same one. In my base box, I received the Cargo Cosmetics Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette, which had a combination of 9 neutral, matte, and shimmer eyeshadows, and it was a travel-friendly palette, and you know, for everyday look. No mirror here, and as you can probably see, the corner shade down here is broken kind of all over the place, and this had a retail value of $39.99. And I did receive the replacement for this actually a couple of weeks ago, but I was waiting for the second one to film this all at once, since it's going to be a short video anyway. They did not have, as I said, the Cargo palette to send me, so in its place they sent me the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. I was not crazy about this palette anyway. You know, I'm a neutrals girl, but this was too boringly neutral. I know. It doesn't make sense to me either, but yeah, this was just a great big yawn to me. Some people, it's probably the perfect palette. It's not for me. So I was not unhappy that they didn't have it to send me. So again, they sent the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, which was another possible palette you could have received in your base box last month. And they say that this is a 10 color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. And say that they know you will not want to put it down. It provides all the everyday hues you need to create a go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. Experience Violet Voss's addicting formulas in the perfect mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallics. Always pigmented and always blendable. And it's not broken. I'm going to remove the little sheet of plastic here. There is a mirror here, but I'm going to actually, I can't fold it back, so I'll keep it down. So this is the palette. So yeah, we do have some mattes along the top, along with this rose gold, and then we've got the color, some pretty vivid colors along the bottom. I had been hoping for this palette when I saw the spoilers for the month, so yeah, really not unhappy that they sent this. It may be a little too vivid for me. As some of you know, I find color challenging, but I'm trying to go outside my comfort zone. I do think that this blue violet down here is absolutely stunning. The blue sky is gorgeous too. I just don't know that I would ever find a way to use it. But yeah, I'm not unhappy about this. This has a retail value of $36. The cargo palette had a retail value of $39.99, but I'm much happier with this palette anyway. So I'm going to think about this one because, like I said, it may be a little too vivid for me, so it might end up at a giveaway, but it's one that I'm definitely more likely to use than I would have with the cargo palette. In my premium box last month, I also had a broken palette, and it was the Ciate London Editor palette, the New England Edit. I'm going to take it out so that I don't blind you with the box. The Ciate London Editor Palette New England is an 18-piece palette containing pigment-rich, buttery, smooth mattes and sparkling metallics, encased in a slick case with a mega mirror for easy applications. Each shadow has an efficacious and utterly desirable finish, from buttery formulas that allow you to gently blend for a totally seamless finish, to shimmering shadows that take you effortlessly from desk-side chic to disco glam. There is, as it said, a very large mirror here, but I'm going to try and keep that out of your way. But this lower dark purple shade is the one that was broken and got everywhere. I've been cleaning it out of my keyboard for a month. The Editor palette, they say it allows you to easily create a signature sultry destination-inspired eye look using the collection's varied high shine foil shimmers, vivid metallics, and statement mattes. So, and this retails for $32. Let's put that back in before that purple gets everywhere, because it does. And I got my box today. And I did get a replacement for the Ciate London Editor palette. So let's see how it is. They do say that this is inspired by the colors of New England in the fall. Combines warm rusts with pops of golden green, echoing the kaleidoscope of color that can be seen throughout September and October. So it's right on time. Sorry, that's a little... It's got a great clip on it, which means it's hard to open for people with arthritis like me. I am going to take this little piece of plastic off, but it is not broken. And here are the colors, although I'll put one up that may be a little clearer. As I said, this retails for $32. It's, again, very colorful, and as we talked about before, I'm working on getting more friendly with color. This green down here, I'm really interested in. This purpley, I don't know what shade of purple it is, but that one in the corner. And this blue up here is stunning. I don't know that I can wear, I don't know, can I wear blue eyeshadow if I have blue eyes? But yeah, there's some beautiful shades in here. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy playing with this one. Although, if I can get that purple completely out of here, since I probably wouldn't use it anyway, if I can clean it up so it's not powder everywhere, then maybe what I'll do is put this one in a giveaway and keep the damaged one myself. So if I can clean the other one up enough that it makes it usable without it getting everywhere, then that's what I'll do, so that one of you who did not get the Ciate London palette wants to try it can have the opportunity to do that. So that's it. It was a quick one today, but I did want to follow up and let you know what happened when I reported those broken palettes to the folks at BoxyCharm. I know their customer support doesn't have the best reputation, so when they actually do something right, I think it's only fair to let you know about it. And also I wanted to show you what they did in the case where they were out of the product that came broken. So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the thumbs up button before you leave. It really does help the channel. It helps get this video into the YouTube algorithm so other people can find it. While you're down there, if you haven't done it already, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. My info's down in the description box. Thank you for spending a little bit of time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself and to others, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.